We're going to show now the flexibility that having an agent that doesn't use screen scraping but uses Windows Global System Hook, which is a much better, closer to the operating system technology that deals with the messaging within the application. That's going to give us a tremendous level of flexibility, and we have seen that this give us security as before, but let us see that, illustrate that flexibility. To do that, we're going to use a standard Windows application available in any machine, which is the standard calculator. This calculator, has a clear button, and to illustrate the point, what we're going to be doing is that we're going to say, well, now a particular group of people, in this case we're going to use everybody, whenever they launch the calculator application, this button is going to be disabled. You won't be able to click on it anymore. It's going to be grayed out. And obviously we don't have the source code for the calculator application, nor you have to, because we're going to intercept the Windows messaging that goes across. To do that, as before, we're going to use Access Studio, and we are going to start again by importing everything that is on the IMS server. We are at the client running Studio from the XP client, and we have all the profiles in here. And what we are going to be doing is we're going to again start the profile generator, but instead of, we're going to call this calculator, it's also a Windows application, but instead of doing what we did before, define with the login, the log off, the change password thing, we're going to click here on all the tasks. What is it that we are going to be doing? We're going to tell that on this particular application, what we want to do is disable a control. Which control? Well, we point with the tool and say it is the clear button that we want to disable. So we add it here, we click next, finished, and what we do now is that we upload what we just did into the IMS server, and that's all it is. 30 minutes after all the clients update or synchronize with the server, or right now if we click here synchronize with IMS, let us see what happened when we launch the calculator machine from that point on. Notice that the clear button has been disabled. I cannot clear that. It is disabled for me. You can also put a message saying, oh, you're not supposed to do this. And not that we want to illustrate this as being good security, because as you can see, should you disable the agent, when you run the calculator application, you can click on the agent. So this is not good security, but it's a way of illustrating the flexibility, the capability that the agent has, and how useful it can be for many applications.